and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan, and I'll be taking you to Burana Tower, the earliest architectural wonder of Central Asia. It was built in the 11th century and is one of the only remnants of the ancient city of Balasagun. The design of the tower was used as a template for later minarets such as the one found in Bukhara, Uzbekistan. The Burana Tower is located about 80 kilometers east of the country's capital. To get there from Bishkek, first you need to go to the eastern bus station. You can get there by public buses or trams, but I simply walked from the city center. And from there, you need to take one of the minibuses called marshrutkas to a small town called Tokmok. It's quite a popular destination, so there will be plenty of marshrutkas heading there, but they will not leave until they're full. In my case, I didn't have to wait very long.
How much? Change? Thank you. All right. Thank you. All right.
The journey takes about an hour and a half and costs 80 som. Once you arrive in Tokmok, there will be many taxi drivers who will approach you and offer a price. Most of them will offer to wait for you for an hour at the tower and then drive you back to Tokmok, but make sure you agree on this before you get on the taxi.
Tokmok, Burana, Tokmok. Сколько это? Не, вы. How much? На, пиши. Ну. Это сделаем так.
No, it's okay.
Слушай, вот. На. Сюда. Вана, вот.
No, it's okay. Thank you. It's okay.
Once now.
It's alright.
Вот, Tokmok, Burana, Vana, я жду там. И Tokmok.
It's okay though.
I'm not taking the taxi because I want to spend more than an hour there and I really don't like haggling. Also, I'm hoping that I might be able to find other travelers at the tower to share a ride back to Tokmok. So now I'm going to walk. As I'm walking though, I'm starting to realize that this might take longer than I thought, and I really don't want to miss the last bus home. So I decided to call a Yandex. For all of you who are not familiar with the service, Yandex is like Uber. You can use it all over Central Asia and is very cheap too. But unfortunately, I typed in the wrong address, so the driver dropped me off about 2 kilometers away from the tower, and I still have to walk the rest of the way. Finally, I'm here at the tower. The entrance fee is 150 som. You can climb to the top of the tower, but the staircase is very narrow, steep, and dark. Please be extra careful. You do need to have some stamina to go up, and it's certainly not for those who are claustrophobic. It's really steep.
Where I'm looking now is kind of looking south. Bishkek is over here. You were very quiet. I didn't hear you come. Not puffing and panting like
No, I took my time. It's really steep.
Yeah, that'd be south.
You're supposed to be able to see beautiful views of the mountains from here, but unfortunately the sky is not so clear today, so this is the best view that I can get.
Maybe you should turn like this. You can take
A guidebook says recommends like this.
oh, like this.
But I'm going to try going forward. I think it'd be better for me.
Next to the minaret, there is an open-air museum filled with hundreds of petroglyphs and grave markers. There's also an indoor museum with a small collection of artifacts found in the area. Okay, so basically it's just a hole in the floor. Are you going back now? Okay, alright, yeah, I'm gonna go up here and then I'll see you.
Don't worry. Like here, we will near the gate. We will walk.
Oh, okay, alright, thank you, see you. While I was at the tower, I met a local guy who was showing his Kazakh friend around, and they offered me a ride back to Bishkek for free, so I guess I got lucky. Traveling for myself. Yeah, it's my first time in Central Asia.
Did you alone?
Yeah.
You don't have any partner or group?
I prefer traveling alone.
It's a little... Sometimes it's dangerous, be careful.
Yeah, thank you. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next destination.